If you're seeing a runtime error on itch.io, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to playing your game without wasting time. This kind of error is usually caused by a browser issue, a bad download, a conflict with extensions, or a network problem. And the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Now, let's get straight into it. First, refresh the page. A simple reload can often clear temporary loading issues, especially if the page failed to load properly the first time. If the error is still there, the next thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and that you're not dealing with a weak Wi-Fi signal or a brief outage, because a broken connection can cause the game page or download to fail. If refreshing doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store old site data that can conflict with newer page files, and that can lead to runtime errors or broken downloads. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser, then try loading itch.io again. Next, try another browser. If you're using one browser and the error keeps showing up, switch to something like Chrome or Edge and test the game there. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser, and changing browsers can instantly fix it without any deeper troubleshooting. You should also disable extensions, especially anything like ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or download helpers. These extensions can interfere with itch.io pages or game files and may stop the game from launching correctly. Turn them off temporarily, then reload the page and test again. Another important step is to disable your VPN if you're using one. Some VPNs can interfere with downloads, authentication, or game launch behavior, and that can trigger runtime errors. Turn it off, refresh the page, and see if the issue disappears. If the game still will not run, download it again directly from itch.io. Sometimes the file you downloaded is incomplete or corrupted, and even a small missing piece can cause the runtime error. Go back to the game's itch.io page, start the download again, and wait until it finishes completely. This part is really important. Make sure the file is fully downloaded before you try to open it. If the download is still in progress, or if it was interrupted halfway through, the game may not launch properly. Double check that the file has finished and that it's not stuck or partially downloaded. Once the download is complete, try running the game as administrator. On Windows, right-click the game or executable file and choose Run as Administrator. This can help if the game needs extra permission to access files or start properly on your system. So to recap, the best fixes are to refresh the page, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, try another browser, disable extensions, turn off your VPN, re-download the game, make sure the file is fully downloaded, and run it as administrator. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the itch.io runtime error quickly. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides just like this one. And if you want, leave a comment below and let me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.